Hi everyone! In this video I'm showing you how to make this super easy but beautiful choker. This is Bonori's channel. Welcome to another jewelry tutorial using simple crochet methods and techniques. And don't forget to like this video please. For this sample I used a lace yarn and a hook with a size of 0.85 millimeter. And for the tutorial, I'm using a fine yarn and a 1.5 mm hook. I'm starting with one stitch. The number of chains should be calculated based on this formula. For instance, for making a choker, 153 chains should suffice. And this is the last 3 chains based on the formula. Now skipping 4 chains, and in the 5th one I'm making 1 double crochet. I'm making 2 chains, skipping 2 chains, and in the 3rd one I'm making 1 double crochet. And once again I'm making 2 chains, skipping 2 chains, and in the 3rd one I'm making 1 double crochet. 2 chains, skipping 2 chains, in the 3rd one 1 double crochet. Keep going till the end. For the next row, I'm making 5 chains, turning the work, skipping this section, and in the next one, I'm making 1 slip stitch. Making 5 chains, skipping this part, and in the next one I'm making 1 slip stitch. Five chains, one slip stitch, and keep this going. For the 3rd row, I'm making 1 chain, turning the work around, 5 single crochet around this string. Taking 1 bead, pulling the thread through the bead, one chain, 5 single crochet for the rest of the string. Again, around this string, 5 single crochet, one bead, one chain, 5 single crochet. And I'm repeating these steps till the end. For the last row, I'm making 2 single crochet, and then I'm gonna crocheting this border. So I'm making 2 single crochet again, one single crochet here, two single crochet, one single crochet, and when we're finished, the result would look like this. And that's it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and hit subscribe. Have a great day.